In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a brochure in Canva. If you need to update a marketing brochure, replace pricing sections in a trifold design, or refine event details without ruining the layout, Canva makes the process much easier than traditional design software. The key is knowing how to work carefully with the brochure structure so your text, images, and fold areas all stay clean and professional. To get started, open Canva and go to your homepage. From there, look through your recent designs or click on projects in the left sidebar if you need to browse your saved files. Find the brochure you want to edit and open it so it loads into the main editor. This gives you access to the full design exactly as it was saved, which is important when you're updating an existing brochure instead of starting over. Once the brochure is open, take a moment to identify the panel boundaries and safe areas before changing anything. Brochures are built around folds, so keeping text and important visuals away from those fold lines helps prevent awkward printing results. On the canvas, you may already see guidelines and margin indicators separating the panels. If they're not visible, click File, go to View Settings, and make sure Show Guides and Show Margins are turned on. This step helps you edit with confidence and avoid placing content where it could get hidden or cut off. Next, update your text. Click directly on any heading, paragraph, or text box you want to change. Highlight the existing text and replace it with your new content. As you edit, keep headings concise so they fit neatly within the panel. Then use the toolbar at the top to adjust font style, alignment, size, and color. This is where you can polish the look of the brochure while keeping everything readable and balanced across the columns. After that, replace any images or graphic elements that need refreshing. Click the image frame or graphic you want to update. Then go to Uploads if you're using your own files, or Elements if you want to search Canva's built-in graphics. Drag the new image over the old one, and Canva will automatically place it inside the existing frame. That helps preserve the original layout and saves you from resizing everything manually. Before exporting, review the entire brochure carefully. Check that text boxes and images line up cleanly, and make sure nothing crosses the safe fold areas. Canva's alignment guides can help you spot anything that's off-center. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. Change the file type to PDF print for the best print quality. If needed, enable crop marks and bleed, then click Download to save your print-ready brochure. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.